Of jewelry industry in Panyu started in the early 80s of this century, when some jewelry manufacturers from Hong Kong started to set up their factory and branches in Panyu. Altogether, there are 400 large-scale business enterprises in jewelry industry in Panyu, including those small workshops. The number will reach about 1,500. And the number of workers in the trade amounted to about 100,000. And the export volume of jewelry products to foreign countries equaling about $4 billion US. The export volume of jewelry products from Panyu accounts for about 25% of the amount in the whole China. Nearly most of the famous brands appear in international markets and can have their production based here in Panyu. So we have a saying that international jewelries are made in Panyu. And there are several characteristics in Panyu jewelry. The first thing is that we got a fully developed system of jewelry industry. The second one is fully internationalization in the trade, and including the protection of patent rights, and also including internationalized management techniques. One more thing, the jewelry industry of Panyu have all the fully developed backup facilities, including logistic, insurance, and customs, and also the financial institute, all located in Panyu, that provides great backup for the whole industry. And the trade have earned great fame in diamond and color gemstone cutting, which is called China cuts. And also the second one is for famous in jewelry setting.
目前番禺珠宝业的